Hi everyone, welcome back. In this particular video, we'll see the concept of dynamic partitioning. Guys, dynamic partitioning will be comes under contiguous partitioning, where memory will be partitioned based on the requirement of the process, not of size fixed. I mean, guys, in fixed partitioning, what happened? In fixed partitioning, you are going to fixing the memory space, right? For example, let's say you went to a party where it contains a cake, and the cake is going to be cut by following certain kind of fixed size. When you attend the party, you have to take the complete piece, and that's it. You have to take the complete piece. Or if you are not interested also, you have to take the complete piece and you have to waste the remaining memory space. That's it, right? But coming to the dynamic partitioning, the example will look like this. When you went to the party, hey, there the cake is there, and you can go there with the cake and you can take how much amount of piece you want. That's it. So there won't be any wastage. For example, I am very much interested in the cake, so I can cut the maximum cake size, right? But in the fixed partitioning, it is not based on my interest, it's based upon their interest. But in dynamic partitioning, it is based on my interest. That's the advantage of dynamic partitioning. Means in fixed partitioning, let them cut and we will eat piece by piece. Whereas coming to dynamic partitioning, let cut by us as per our need, right? So means, if you look at technically, if I am going to have a main memory, the first part generally occupied with operating system, if it is main memory. If I required 2 KB of memory space, then I can cut. If I required some 100 KB of memory space, then I can cut the free amount of memory. Out of the remaining, if they request for some 1 KB of memory, I can cut. As per the need, I can cut. That is what we call it as a dynamic partition. Guys, as per the need, if I am cutting, is there any waste in the cake pieces? Definitely no. But coming to fixed partitioning, even I am not interested to eat the cake, I have to take the complete cake, so there will be definitely waste in the cake piece, right? That is what we call it as internal fragmentation, that we have covered already in the earlier videos. Now here, as there is no wastage, can I say that does internal fragmentation exist? What might be the issue with the fragmentation? Does internal fragmentation will be existed? No, because it is as per the need, I will cut it, so there is no internal fragmentation. What about the external fragmentation? Yes, external fragmentation will be there. The reason is, if I say this is the user memory area, for example, I have allocated something like this, something like 2, 5, 7 and something like 100. Now all are filled now, P1, P2, P3, P4. Now there is a request that I got as 9 KB process P5. So for example, after certain point of time, P1 and P3 are deallocated from the main memory. Now what will happen? The 2 KB memory is free and 7 KB memory is free. Even total 9 KB memory is free. I cannot able to place the 9 KB. It is because of we are following contiguous partitioning technique, right? In contiguous memory allocation, you cannot able to place more than one process at more than one location. That's why this will lead to external fragmentation. For this, the solution will be, one will be compaction and the another one will be, you have to change the rule of contiguous memory allocation. That will be something like non-contiguous memory allocation. These are the two solutions for the external fragmentation of dynamic partitioning. What about the other performance issues in the fixed partitioning? So we discussed now fragmentation. Something like let's say the degree of multiprogramming. Is there any problem with the degree of multiprogramming? Again no, because as per my need I can able to place as many processes as possible. So degree of multiprogramming does not affect in the dynamic partitioning. And what about the process size? Is flexible, whereas coming to in fixed partitioning, process is not flexible because that is affected based on the maximum size of the partition, whereas here as it is unlimited I can cut as per my wish. So process size is flexible, right? So this is what all about the dynamic partitioning. In the next video we'll try to come up with what is the meaning of compaction and its concept. Hope you understood this video clearly. Thank you.